Go.
Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're excited to show you today, this is a Mettler Toledo, also made by Safeline, 3-inch drop-through type metal detector. You'll see it's mounted on this stand, which is a diverter valve below it. See, we have it powered up on 120 volt single phase right now. It does require air to run. And while Jim's doing that, we're going to just show you, Jim, I'm going to tag it once. Would you show the screen, please? Okay, we'll do it. Now what happened, I just did a test with one of our test strips. It's a 360.
Wow.
Let me show you, this is we're using a 316 stainless steel wand here. We have a little piece of metal embedded in the end. Let's try, here's a piece of ferrous metal at 3/32. And you'll see for different metals it has a little bit different delay, which apparently is programmed into the unit. Come around this side, you get a better look at the diverter. On the bottom here, you'll see the two outlets, one here and here. They're about 6 by 3.5, and then they have a flange around them, so you can make an easy connection. I'm going to take a look at that, and I'll show you one more key. You can see that immediately upon seeing metal, they flip, and then there's a small delay programmed in, and then it closes back to its position. Here's another steel sample. This is a 1/6.
Yep, activates.
Everything running great. It does require air to operate. 120 volt single phase, as we mentioned. It has touchscreen controls. We have lots of metal detectors, processing and packaging equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we thank you for joining us for this video today. See you soon.